Hello, this is Michael Bain for MDV1. This is my week one video review. It's late. I ran into a lot of problems this week, being that I updated since I hadn't used Xcode since I was in since we did the game design for iOS months and months ago. So before I started this project, I decided to update Xcode. Um, And what I've noticed when I was looking for some tutorials to help me out, because I'm really new to Swift, is that the tutorials, since the update is really new, there aren't any tutorials that support the syntax of the version that I'm using. So um, what took a lot of time was getting the sound, and I still haven't got it working properly. Like I can't get the repeat forever that SK action to function to I can't even write the code without getting an error. So and my application won't compile, so I wasn't able to get it to where it runs. My background music just loops over and over and over. Um, so here's I guess I'll show you what I have. I was able to complete this week. Um, so when it starts up, the background music plays, but it's not a loop, and so here are my three sprites. The background is just one of the fruits that's going to be in the game, an apple, and the cassowary. And if you click on anywhere on the game, you get the cassowary sound, which is it's supposed to really just be when you click on the cassowary, but I wasn't able to complete that. But that's the sound of a cassowary. But so I should stop that. But yeah, it was just I underestimated the actual making creation of the sprites, and I just had to use like free sprites that I found online, and I couldn't make my own custom sprites. I tried to, but um, I just have to figure out how I want to do it for the game, because creating them in something like Photoshop or Illustrator, it just takes, for what I'm doing, it's gonna take a while, and I'm not that efficient with it yet to be able to do it and complete the assignments on time. But basically, here's some of my code. Um, here are the castle. This is the apple. This is the cassowary. This is the background. I mean, I had some trouble doing it, but it looks really fun once I get a grasp on it, and you can do some um, really basically do whatever you want in Sprite Kit. That's what I chose to use Sprite Kit this week. I don't know if I mentioned that, but um, this is my function that when you touch the screen, it plays a sound. I wanted to be able to get it on, I guess what we call a node, a Sprite Kit node, to where you click on whatever image, and it plays that sound only when you click on that image. I wasn't able to get that working properly, and of course my loop, that upon the initialization of the game, this should just loop, but I can't figure out how to write the uh, repeat forever SK action. So this is Michael Bain. This is what I have so far for week one, MDV. Not MDV, MGD. Thanks for watching.